Students who apply to this program have the chance of being eligible to hold this award more than one time. What this means is that if you get this at the first year, you are also able to get it at the second year. And one of the things you need to put into consideration is that if you are going to be getting enrolled into these programs, you need to apply for full-time thesis-based graduate program of this university that we are going to be talking about. If you are going to apply, these are the area of focus that are available. Students of medical science graduate program, MSc or PhD should be in one of the following departments in the Faculty of Medicine, dentist, okay, and all of these programs that are available for you here. Okay, so we are going to be taking this one after the other. This is a fully funded option for you to move to Canada today, and this is majorly coming from one of the top university in Canada, which is Alberta. Okay, Alberta has been on the game of providing different scholarship options to international students and the locals for over a long period of time. And this time, we are also going to be exploring this one that is available right now for you to apply to. Okay, if you look at this section, you can see that they're actually pushing $29 million in scholarship every year. So this time, you have to just take your own part of this cake by getting yourself into the programs that are available. What do you need to do? What are the requirements you need to follow? All of these are things that we are going to be discussing in today's video. If you are going to be applying, like I said at the first place, you need to make sure you meet requirements because that's the basis of where your chances is going to start from. All award will be withdrawn if the student decide to actually change their own pattern of program and they decide to go for a part-time option. Okay, you need to be certain that all your programs are a full-time registration program. If your language of instruction in your bachelor year has not been in English, then you need to show that your language skills are at a high level to succeed in your study at Alberta. Okay, so now let's go to the application procedure. For you to check the application procedure, there's an handbook right here that you can actually check out or look out for. But what I want us to look out for is information on the official website first, which I'm going to fly right to immediately on the video. If you look at it, this is the official website of Alberta, Faculty of Graduate and Postdoctoral Study. This is what we are looking at, right? And in this section, we are looking for scholarship and award and also information about how we can actually navigate this. If you look at this, it says funding your graduate education. The University of Alberta has various awards, scholarship, and prize to assist you in funding your graduate study. Okay, so just like what we've seen earlier, $29 million in scholarship every year is being allocated for students. Award, scholarship, and prize are funded by a variety of different sponsors. Okay, so if you want to read more information, you can check it on this page. But what I want us to target right now is the information that we have here. If you go to the top right here, you're going to see the GSMS award portal. What does this mean? This is where you can see likely funding options that are available. Maybe you've applied to Alberta already, or you are a new or prospective student who is planning to apply to Alberta University. Now, let me take you through this. If you come to this page where you have a University of Alberta Study Management Solution, which is the GSMS, you are going to see that you can actually create an account and log in right here. But if you come to the bottom right here, you can also find some more information. And when I take you to this page right here, you can see that we have another section which is departmental award. So I want to actually connect your mind. If you come to this section, you are going to see that here we can search for different departmental award. And when I bring you to this page, you can see that this is where we can find that departmental award. Note, if you then scroll down, you go to value, you are going to see how this departmental award work, which is what you can actually find in the GSMS portal, which means if you want to find a funding option that is currently available, you need to provide yourself to be inside this GSMS portal. How do I get here? From this page, you can actually click on this and say access the GSMS portal. Okay, and when you get here, you can actually get yourself in. Okay, email, please use your CCID, not your email. Okay, username, password. Okay, so but all of these are things that you are not going to start first. You are going to start from admission application, right, before you actually get the funding. So if you come to I want us to come to this departmental award, because this is what is important and this is the important part of this video. Under this section, you can find here it says, as soon as an award funding has been confirmed, updated information for the current competition year will open in the GSMS portal, which is where you need to position yourself. So you are not waiting for the announcement to come on the official website, but inside, not these are the outside the website now. Okay, what I mean by inside is you have an account, you are inside the portal, you are registered inside the portal. Okay, if you also scroll down, you can find some more funding options that are here, but I want us to actually go up and see some information before we explore that. When you come to the eligibility section, you can see here it says student must be admitted to or currently enrolled in a graduate degree program. That is one of the first eligibility requirements, and that is what I've said. So you need to start from admission. I've said it before. You need to start from admission. Funding is not the first option for you in this case, but you need to start and be sure that your program of interest is right here. Second, requirements such as registration, residency status, program of study, and selection criteria can be viewed in the searchable database and the GSMS award portal. Note, students cannot directly apply via the portal. So you need to also pay attention to that. The majority of awards have a tenure of September 1st to August 31st, whereby students must be registered and working full-time on their graduate program. So I repeat, if you are going to be looking at part-time option, this is not for you. For overall regulation applicable to all merit-based graduate students support administered by these, then the university and University of Alberta departmental monitor are to check this. So in related to the searchable database to know what is available. So when it comes to procedure, let's come a little bit down. Like I said, there's a GMS file that is available. You can also check this application form right here, but the required GPS form for students to complete the nomination by their department is also here. So you need to click this link, this one right here. So I don't want to click it right now so that we don't leave this page. Note, the University of Alberta Centenary Graduate Award require a different application form. So understand yourself and know where you are standing or where you want to stand before you use the form that is applicable to you. Okay, both form also available in the GPS form cabinet, which is also another section, and students are to contact their department for any additional or internal deadline and application procedure. So what means is that you need to be careful with the information you are just clicking on. You need to make sure that you read thorough or you do a proper diligence to understand what is available to you in your own department by checking through or starting through the program option. Each of these program option, they will tell you this is the department where you belongs to, and from there you can then decide to start checking other information. Okay, so in the past I've made video for you about how you can apply to University of Alberta. So if I can link it at the description of this video, I will do that. I don't want to repeat that again in this video so that is not getting too long. Okay, so all the form you need to need or you are going to need is also right here for you, so you can pick them at your own convenience. So when you scroll down, you can also see nomination procedure, how the procedure goes. Okay, but you need to have applied to a program or you are already starting your program of study. The nomination program or the nomination process goes as thus: as soon as an award funding has been confirmed, when the updated information has been provided on the GSMS, then the department will determine the best way to select their nominees. All of this will be based on the information you've provided based on your application. Okay, nominee are encouraged to set an earlier internal deadline to allow time for internal review and education if this is applicable. Nomination must be submitted to the GPS via the GSMS portal. So, which means you need to have indicate yourself that you are looking into getting funding. Okay, department are to then reference to this. So these are not for you, but they are just telling you or letting you know that this is the procedure that is going on behind the scene. So you can do the justice to come on to this portal right here. So all of the deadline are right here. Okay. So you see departmental specific award 31st of August of each year is the deadline, and for June 30th of each competitive year for the interdepartmental award. Okay. So make sure you do your own diligence every year. All of these are being open, so if you are not getting it this year, you can work towards getting it next year. So this will still be the same because every year they open this opportunity for intended or prospective students to participate in. So if you then scroll down right here, you are going to see that here we have 522 results, and these are options that you can actually check through. You can also do a search, I think. Okay, so you can also do a search right inside this box. Okay, just for you to be quick with what you are looking for. So we can't be scrolling through 522 funding option right now. So just take your time, uh, check out for what you think will work for you or what you thought or think you wanted. Okay. So if you need additional information, you can actually go to their website and then send them email. Look for their email and send them email. But if you need admission support to any of the university you've seen on the internet or you've seen on my channel right here, and you need admission support with it, you can actually reach out to me on my Instagram. Let's have a one-on-one call discussion to help you with your admission application. If you have personal question you want to ask me, do well to also reach me on Instagram. Let me help you. Let's resolve all of this together on a call section. Okay. So I wish you success in everything that you do, and I hope you are able to get yourself into the University of Alberta maybe later this year, or hopefully those that apply now are going to start their class next year. Make use of all the resources that are available on the Abata official university portal. Okay, so go to the portal, do your own search, take your time, and I know that you are going to find what will be useful for you on this platform. So if you also want to check some other funding option, they have the Killam Trust scholarship, they have the Vania Canada Graduate Scholarship, they have the Social Science and Humanitarian Scholarship, they have the Natural Science and Engineering Scholarship, and they also have the Canadian Institute of Earth Research information right here. Okay, so this will be where I'm going to stop and take a break. So, like I said, the GPS Scholarship Award Manual is also there. So when you click on that, it's going to bring you all of this information. So this has been they've been making use of this since 2016. Okay, so you can see all the information about what we've discussed so far, the responsibility of the GSC share. All of these are like maybe internal information, full-time eligibility. Okay, like I said, remember to apply for programs that have full-time option. Okay, so I'll catch up with you again. Thank you.